So how to redeem your points within the McDonald's app. So to redeem your points within the McDonald's app, it's very simple to do. So first things first, you want to go ahead and log into your McDonald's app, and you should come across this home page here. And right at the top, it should tell you how many McDonald's points you've got. And if you go ahead and click rewards and offers, it then opens you up to this page here. And right at the top, it should show you a sliding scale showing you all the type of rewards that are available on the McDonald's app. So as you can see here, we've got 6,414. So because the maximum is 5,500, that actually entitles us to everything on the rewards menu. So if you go ahead and click view all right here, it then opens you up to this page here. And from here, it should display you all of the McDonald's rewards that are available and how many points they cost. So obviously on the lower end, some rewards cost 1,500, which usually entitle you to small fries or a medium soft drink, and they go all the way up to 5,500, where at that level you can unlock free Big Macs and things like that. So obviously you can use this app to scroll around and see all the rewards you've unlocked. And then when you are at the McDonald's self-service till, there should be a tab called Rewards, and you can go ahead and add it to your McDonald's order when in store. However, if you would like to redeem your points over the app, then I'll show you that process here. So you just want to select the item you want. So let's select Big Mac. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here, where you've got a few options. So you can either add it to a pickup order, McDelivery, etc. So for the example of this video, let's just say you want to order it for a pickup. Then once you've done that, select pick an item. And then once you've done that, you can select add to bag. And then finally from there, you can select add to order. And as simple as that, you've now selected your reward. And if you want to, you can review and pay at the bottom to go ahead and fully redeem it. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.